So today we have for review from CHGeek. This is a quick charge 2.0 car charger. It's got a dual port USB and it's got some type of a, I think it's a seatbelt cutter or something on it too. It says window hammer and belt cutter. Yeah, so. Take a look at it, open up the plastic. We got the box, it's got a sleeve over the top. That's what all the printing is on. There we go, safety car charger is what they call it. Now we're going to open it up. And it's in a nice little case, so that's good. And holy crap, this thing is heavy. Wow. Was not expecting that. So we're going to do a quick, we're going to weigh it real fast. 3.3 ounces for just this little thing. It is solid metal. There is no plastic involved in this thing. Holy cow. Anyway, so I'm guessing that right there is the windshield hammer. It looks just like pretty much every windshield hammer that you're going to see, or window hammer that you're going to see on most of your safety tools. Now, it is important to note that this is really only going to work to help you get out of your car if you're using it on a window that is not tinted. If you use it on your windshield, this is not going to help you because that stuff is going to be, it's got a film on it that keeps it all together and keeps it from shattering. Your windows on the side of your car, if they have window tint on it, that does the exact same thing as that film on your windshield, and it's going to keep those windows from shattering. If you have no window tint, you can use this, smash your window, and it'll break open. It's also got a seatbelt cutter here. And as you look in there, I don't know if you guys can see, there is a razor blade in there. See if we'll maybe cut a Kleenex with it, right? Yeah, well, I tore it, but I mean, you can see right there where you start to cut it. So yeah, it definitely does cut. I don't know how well something like this works on seatbelts. I've never actually used a seatbelt cutter before. And honestly, I'm not going to cut my seatbelts to test it out and show you guys, but it looks like a standard seatbelt cutter, so I'm just going to have to go with that at this point. Now, what I'm most excited about is the dual USB charger. Now, my last charger that we used in my wife's car, we went on a road trip, and we found that we could not plug in two devices to charge it. Even though it said it was a dual charger, if we plugged in two, then it did not charge either of them, and it was a real pain in the butt. So I'm excited to get this, excited to give it a shot, make sure that whenever we do go on road trips again, or even if we're just going to the store or something, that we'll both be able to plug in our devices and get a quick charge on it if we need to. It does have the blue in here indicating a USB 3.0 connection, which doesn't really make a lot of sense to me considering car chargers don't really, charge USB 3.0, but this does say it's a quick charge, so perhaps that's why they put it in there. They wanted to make sure that we knew that it's a little more advanced than just your typical USB charger. Again, it's really heavy, so I think this would definitely help you smash open a window for sure. But anyway, we'll get it plugged in, do some trialing with it, test it out. Amazed to see that thing is all solid metal, and I'll let you know what the charging rates are and stuff whenever I get those run, because I use a few programs for that. So any questions, comments, make sure to ask. I'll get to them as soon as I can, and I did receive this for free in exchange for the review. Thanks.